When you heard it, did you run to the site?
Yeah, yeah. Then almost anybody who can walk and try go there. Speed him up, come down. If it line, remember it now no steering. And then it just jump in line and turn up straight. So.
Wow. So in the morning when the sun come out now, what was the scene like? Were there a lot of police officers on the scene?
Well,
travel through Jamaica with me, Kareem Latouche, as I explore our rich landscape and creative personalities. Get to see some parts of Jamaica that you may not know or may have overlooked. Nowhere is too far, too muddy, or too high. I'll be driving through the 14 parishes and talking to vendors and community members to get the true stories of the various places. This is Kareem's Quest. Kareem's Quest is not only about visiting the marquee attractions in Jamaica, but it's also about learning about Jamaica's history. And one of the biggest events in Jamaican history was the Kendal Crash that took place in this community, Kendal, in Manchester. I'm going to be speaking with one of the more senior residents, Mas George. Mas George is going to tell me some stuff about the event that took place, all right? Mas George!
yes, sir.
What on?
The moment.
First thing, manners and respect.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
What on?
Yeah,
How long have you been? You born here, Mas George?
no, man, the man, me come here before the train crash.
Before, yeah?
Uh-huh.
Were you living here when the train crash occurred?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Did you hear the commotion?
Uh-huh.
You did? What was that like?
Up the road, me live one over here, so I've been nearer to the line, more find us to where he crash.
Yeah?
Yeah, me live with this run cross where they come on and go there.
So did you hear a lot of screams? What did you hear?
Yeah, whole heap of noise with them, man. Whole heap of noise because people are called, people find if they're living or they're dead. And people we can't hear because they mash up.
So you when you heard it, did you run to the site?
Yeah, yeah. Then almost anybody who can walk and try go there. Unless they know what go on there.
And you were a young boy at them time. Then. How old do you think you were at that time?
19.
You're 19? Okay then, so as a young 19-year-old, so you run, what did you see when you came at the crash site?
The train, the pitch up, suppose they don't this up and down, the train, the one I can't turn up straight, so.
Wow.
The jumpy line, well, it coming down the hill, so it coming too fast. And then it jump the line car right now on corner.
Because them say it's supposed to turn left and the first one go off this way.
Yeah. So it coming through that now. The speed it might come down if it line, remember it now no steering. And then it just jump the line and turn up straight. So.
Wow. So to find all the Kareem's Quest content in one place, visit the website kareemsquest.com. You'll see colorful adventure stories, a lot of pictures of Jamaica's beautiful landscape, and articles that highlight the many unique things about Jamaica. It's all at kareemsquest.com. So, Master George, when you saw the people, then what were you looking at when you were seeing the people?
I was surprised because me never used to see them there. All the mash up people, dead people.
You see a lot of blood?
Yeah, man. Corpses of people and all that way. Yeah, them people mash up, man.
So how long were you out there with them then? Because
no,
it was registered, so it happened at 11 p.m. Sunday night, right?
No, so I know that's not right. That's not right. The train suppose left town, going to Montego Bay, go excursion trip. And when they reach there, they're supposed to leave Montego Bay at 2 o'clock, they go back to town. But the people, the town people, scatter about. I walk up and down and view a place. So through that now, the people, when the train ready, it couldn't go away. Because then I left 3/4 of the people. That's why it turned till night. You know, left till after 6 o'clock, about 6 o'clock.
So about what time you presume then it was here, so?
when it come up here, so now when it crash, it's about 2 or 3 minutes after 12. That's why it named 1st of September. I've been last of August. I was Saturday, the last day of August.
Okay.
But through him, it happened little after 12. It started happening in a September.
Okay, September. So how long then were you out there?
No,
In terms of
from the train crash. Nobody no left there.
not left until morning?
Then they like all the hours of people did I'll pick up people and all that. So.
Cause this makes sense now, you know. So it would have happened on a Sunday morning then.
Yeah, of course.
That makes sense. Because I was wondering if people would, because I say it could not happen Sunday night because people would have had to go work Monday morning.
Yeah, it happened.
So them go up on the Saturday.
Saturday train.
Them go up on the Saturday.
And it crashed about some 10 minutes after 12 the night. That's why I come to 1st of September.
Okay, all right.
But I know 1st of September.
Makes sense now. Makes sense now. So you guys stayed there. So what time you think ambulance and help start come?
Well, I'll tell you something now. One man, Morrison, he's the only bulldozer operator when he worked with Alcan at the time. Because when the first bulldozer come here, right, I say, come off of the training.
Oh.
And they cut one little road out so and drive right down in the plant. And him get the work same time after the bulldozer come as helper and the something. But from the man we come here with the bulldozer come from Barbados or something like that. So him start work with the man and start operate the bulldozer same time. So him come and him then go for him cut the road to go with
And about what time is that now? So this happened at 12:05, right?
Yeah.
About what time the bulldozer man come?
Me know exactly. What me know say it come just shortly after the Alcan man them go for him.
So let me ask you something though, Master George. This is late at the night, this dark. How not figure out no way around to even try find?
No, moon was shining there, I was there.
Moon was shine?
Yeah, man.
Okay, so moon was shining that night.
Yeah, man.
Okay,
Moon
so
was
you
shining.
were able to see
Yeah.
and spot where everybody
and
there.
people have flashlight, people have buckle lamp, people have all kind of light, man. Where them have people.
In
And me the morning, when me a run go there. Up the road, me just run across where they come and go there, you know. If I been here, so to we part the train crash. Up for a walk, me have to go do. But we part me live at the time. Me just run across the command and go there. Yeah.
and then I mean you would have been strong and agile at that point.
Yeah,
Like. So
man.
in the morning when the sun come out now, what was the scene like? Were there a lot of police officers on the scene?
Well,
Soak up the sun on pristine beaches, ride horses through the ocean, feel the zipline rush. With Kareem's Quest Tours, discover Jamaica's hidden gems, find amazing places to stay, and learn the secrets of our island plans. Your unforgettable adventure awaits.
you can't tell us who been did it. Everybody we can walk did it. Everybody we can walk. The people from town, where they know same family gone bunny, then they are both down there, so I walk up and down. Them here say train crash, you know, and them come from the town, take care and come here before they get.
So that means that the entire road was impassable then?
Yeah.
Because you'd have had...
No, but I know the side and go, you know. It don't drive on the road down a cushion there. And then cut one road, the bulldozer cut one road from where part right there, there's some chicken there now. Cut the road from there straight to it. The man that a first class operator bulldozer. And funny car go and yard with him. Cause he may go home and they go yard with him. And funny throw down the blade. That the blade no raise up till it catch on the line side. Oh, you know, raise up people did it. People did it. I watch one. Funny dropping blade and shoot.
Wow.
Chuck, car, everything the back of him. Cause the blade, it is a show, anything can follow it.
Master George, how old are you now?
89.
89?
Yeah. 89.
I'm happy to see you strong. Alright people, this was another great Karim's Quest for me. I like speaking to the elders because they have so much knowledge to give, and there's so much that we can learn from them.
Yeah.
Master George, thank you so much for being so kind and sharing the information with me here.
Yeah.
Alright.